Rolling up to Lost Lake.
Hey.
We safe and accounted for?
All accounted for.
Sir, I didn't even sleep.
We're in a bit of a new camp spot this year. Hi, Hazy. What are you doing? Let me get things set up in here. How's it going?
Hi.
I'm good.
Looking good.
So much room in here. Till you get your queen set up.
I get all my stuff.
Ty and Audrey have their tent all set up. Cot over there. Allie's over here. Playing with rocks. Oh, did you almost get that birdie? Where'd it go? Where did it go? Yeah. How was that, Graham?
The bite was bad.
Woohoo!
Okay, ready, Hazy? I'm not a peach picker. I'm a peach picker's son, but I'm gonna keep picking peaches till the peach picking's done.
Is that
What?
funny?
Easy to say.
Easy, we dropped something in the fire. Say, uh-oh. Say, uh-oh. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
All right, here we are. Made it to the lake Saturday morning. Got the rods out and set. Waiting on some tugs.
I don't know. Oh, that's like a brook trout. Yeah.
All right.
Tiger! Tiger!
Is it a tiger?
A little tiger.
Easton got his first. Ooh,
Let's
look
see
at
him.
that pretty fish.
Grab him.
Okay, put him in the water for a sec. Set that hook. Set that hook. Pull it. No, set the hook. Is there a fish on?
Yes! Nope. It's a big boy. Big guy.
All right, Graham just missed one about 2 minutes ago, and then Easton's got a nice one on.
Let's see him. Rainbow. It's a rainbow. Graham, let me get
Graham,
him.
back up. Ooh, Dad, come look at this one. Yeah.
Here. Here. Get him up. Get him up.
Ooh, lift him up there. Atta boy.
Big guy.
All right, Easton's got another good one on.
Big tiger. Tiger.
Let's check this one out. Tiger.
Is that big enough to eat, Dad? I'm gonna eat him.
We could if we wanted to, but
I want to.
let's just eat the ones that we can't keep alive.
Oh, he looks like a big one.
Okay, whoa, all right. In
Big
the water.
tiger.
In the water. In the water with him.
Big tiger.
Nice. That is a good fish. Good one, Graham. How was that?
Good.
All right, let's see if we can get this guy released.
Yeah.
Minnow fishing. There's some commotion over here.
Get right there,
They,
man. Hold it right there.
they must have caught a huge one.
Here, hold that.
Oh,
hold that.
another fish on.
What was that?
Fish on.
Fish on. Oh, there we go. Okay, whoop, whoop. Here he comes. Slow down, slow down. Walk up to the bank. Rainbow.
Rainbow! It's a rainbow!
Okay, keep him in the water. Keep him in the water. Wow, great one. Attaboy, just hooked up on another. After a little break for breakfast, huh?
He's a big one.
Oh, that is a nice rainbow. Good job. Sweet, dude. Let's keep him out here in the water.
Would you catch him on?
No power bait.
Oh, there it is.
All right, Sierra, get ready to net him. Oh, she ready. Got him!
We got him!
Nice job, girls.
And it's the same kind of fish.
Another rainbow?
Yeah! Another rainbow trout. Come on.
Can you feel the tug?
Is it pulling
Yeah,
back?
I feel it. I feel it.
Oh, is it big?
It is a big fish. I better move.
Oh, he's fighting.
This fish is strong.
Yeah.
Oh.
Here, bring it in. Over here, bring it over to us.
Ah, I got him. I got him.
Here, bring him right over to the net. Bring him right into the net. There he is. And look at that.
Look at the sky.
That's a nice rainbow.
I'm gonna hold him. I got a rainbow trout.
Good job.
What is it? Hey, can you say Ali? Ali. Mama. Dada. Ali. All right, we just caught a nice tiger on the fly. Get him over here. You drag him over to me. Oh yeah.
Okay, Easton, stand clear.
Little.
Oh my gosh, shoot him.
Easton's. Dad, you might need to help him. His line's wrapped. His line's wrapped at the top, Dad.
Is it tiger or rainbow?
Graham, he was getting a bite over here.
That's a nice rainbow, East.
Where's the rainbow? Where's the rainbow? Come on.
Uncle Ty might need a new rod.
Listen to that drag.
I think it's with the eyelet.
Oh, is it?
This rod's been around for a long time. We got this in Kansas.
Graham, where is this fish, dude? Is he coming?
Listen, Uncle Ty doesn't mess around when he casts. The best fish are in the middle of the lake. No, that is the real.
Oh, I can see him. Okay. Oh, it's a good one.
Oh,
It's a really nice one.
That's a nice fish. That's a fighter. Look at that guy.
Oh, yeah, Graham. Get that bad boy up here.
Bring him into me, GP. Man.
That's a big boy.
What'd I say? The big ones are in the middle.
That might be the biggest. That's the biggest one
and
I've
he's
seen.
right in the lip. Perfect.
My
All right. Beastie just caught another one. Hold that up, Ty, when you get it. Sheesh.
Covered the hook.
Covered?
Recovered, I think with minimal damage. Nice fat rainbow.
Sweet.
But not as fat as mine.
Over here and let him go. You got whippersnappers out there. Oh. Oh no, he's on.
Is he? Oh, the little guy.
Oh, he's teeny tiny.
I caught a teeny, and Graham was right.
Oh, he's got a
Had no fish or not just when we were in. Okay, so I only found one lure, that's all.
Beast, I like the look of your fly reel, man.
Fish! Fish!
Is that a fish on?
Fish on!
Do you?
Thanks.
Is it tugging like a fish? Or is it a salad fish?
I think it's salad fish. It's tugging like a fish. Yep, it's tugging. That's a flappy, go. How dare you go for
Another good one, Graham. Nice work, bud.
That's
Knuckles,
another,
dude, right here.
that's another floppy flop flop.
My word. He's also hooked well.
You,
We just doubled up. Couple of rainbows. That don't want to live.
Just nose planted straight into the mud. That's a nice looking rainbow.
See it over here?
You fish with Tangleman.
Get a video before he dies.
I don't care.
Reeling in another double. We getting sick of catching fish yet?
No!
No. Rainbow after rainbow over here. Is he still on, East?
I don't know. Ah!
Let me see if he's got it. Here, man. Let me see if
Doesn't
he's got it.
seem like it.
Marshmallow.
Roasting.
I can eat a marshmallow with a spoon.
Allie.
Good morning, Hazy boy. Good morning, Tom. You.
Oh, good morning. Who's that?
Hazy, what do you see?
What is that? Is it a birdie? Jeep, jeep.
Hazy, what are you watching?
Do you see those birdies?
Yeah.
What were you singing?
Were you singing on your way up here this morning?
Uh-huh.
What were you singing?
What awoken me. Like,
What?
Like, what awoken me.
What
What
have-
awokened you? Hey, Graham.
What?
Nice necklace.
What awake.
He's a seaweed monkey.
He's a seaweed monkey.
He's a seaweed
What are you doing, Hazer?
Who's that?
Can you say dada?
Yeah.
Hey, Sierra, what's going on?
Fishy.
You got a fish? What do you
It
think?
has to be a rainbow.
What kind do you think it is?
Rainbow.
Yeah.
Catching rainbow every single
Oh,
day.
I see it out there.
I don't. I
Look
see
at it.
Oh, I see it.
Look at it
Oh,
flashing.
It's a strong one. It's a strong fish. I see him. I see him. It's a rainbow. It's a rainbow. Oh, it's a little.
Get him on in there.
Ah!
Oh, he's a fighter.
Yes!
You got him.
Ah.
Oh, here, let's leave him in the water. All right, Sierra, you got that net action ready?
Graham, get him right in the net.
Still on, please.
I see him. All right. Hello. Oh, I see him. I see him. I see him.
Okay,
He's right there.
Sierra,
Oh,
get
see
ready
him.
on net duty. There's a
See him.
tiger chasing him. Oh my
Get
God.
into
You see
water.
that?
Tiger.
Okay, oh, Ethan, you got to come walk over by Sierra so you can drag the fish to Sierra. There you go.
What?
There you
Get
go. Underneath him, Sierra. Nice work. Oh yeah, Graham.
He's a hold one, but.
There's a big fish.
Oh, he's a fish.
How's our
I
netter
see him, I
feeling?
see him.
How's our netter
Good.
feeling? Good. Okay, Graham, rod up, man.
Right up, man.
Steer him to east.
Ah,
Oh, that was fast. Good job.
Woo!
Lappy, bring
Let's
him to
see
me.
it. Yeah.
Bring it to me.
Did you get him?
No. Yeah, he's going crazy.
Last fish of the trip. Oh. Graham, you missed that, Nick. He's feisty. Ethan, keep him in the water, Graham. There we go. Let's see him. Oh, yeah. Nice job.
Thumbs up for me.
Nice job.
can't.
Good job, everybody.
I can't.
High five.
I can't see it.
High five, Ollie. Good job, everybody. Officially done.